With thousands of meeting hotels in the U.S., how do you get a meeting planner to consider your hotels for their next event? You ask Rosen. Alexa, ask Rosen why I should choose Rosen Hotels and Resorts for my meeting.
Rosen Hotels and Resorts is Florida's largest independent hotelier. The level of customized service and events is second to none.
How many square feet of meeting space is there at Rosen Plaza?
At Rosen Plaza, there are 22 meeting rooms with varied size breakouts that accommodates groups of 10 to 2,800.
Where can I grab food at Rosen Center?
Everglades Restaurant and Bar is themed after the Florida Everglades, featuring prime steaks and fresh seafood.
Tell me about Shingle Creek's golf course.
Rosen Shingle Creek has an 18-hole, par 72 championship course designed by Arnold Palmer Design Company.
The Ask Rosen campaign featured a custom-built Alexa skill, engaging device packaging, and an informative brochure, emails, and website. This interactive educational tool for meeting planners can be updated at any time and used anywhere across the globe, bringing a personalized touch to the planning experience that embodies the Rosen difference. Any questions? Just ask Rosen.